Hey everyone, Moses Durazo here, your medical biomagnetic pair specialist. Today we're sharing an amazing real-life testimonial where someone used biomagnetism to stop bleeding and pain after cutting their finger with a can opener right from the comfort of their own home. First off, if you're new here, welcome. I teach people how to use biomagnetism to take charge of their health naturally. If this resonates with you, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your own questions or experiences. Now, let me just say, this person made a smart move. Instead of panicking, they grabbed their magnet kit and followed the biomagnetic formula for pain relief and physical trauma included in their instructional booklet. In less than 5 minutes, the bleeding stopped, the pain was gone, and they could move their finger again. That's the power of biomagnetism in real time.
I just cut my finger using a can opener. I'm gonna use a magnet to stop the bleeding and the pain. I'm gonna place a negative on the wound. Ow. And I put one positive on my kidneys. It's throbbing, so I know it's working. It feels like it's getting worse. At the same time, I know it's working and it's healing. This is after 5 minutes of having the magnet on. I wish I would have took a picture of it when it was open, but as you can see, it's like closed. And I actually can move my finger. I couldn't move it. And the bleeding stopped like under 5 minutes. This is amazing. It doesn't hurt anymore.
And remember, if you're ever in a serious emergency like something that needs stitches, always seek professional medical attention. But don't underestimate what magnets can do on the way to the hospital or especially during recovery. They're a safe and powerful way to support your body's healing process. Join the movement, learn the biomagnetic basics for yourself, register for our free intro courses on Zoom so you can start learning biomagnetism just like this woman did and apply it for natural healing right away. Visit SaveMeMagnets.com, the link's in the description, and sign up today. Now, we want to hear from you. Got a video testimonial where our Save Me Magnets biomagnetic strategies helped you? Send it in. We'd love to share your story and help more people discover the healing power of magnets. Together, we're creating a healthier, thriving world, one biomagnetic pair at a time. Until next time, stay balanced, stay healthy, and take control of your wellness. See you in the next one.